What's going on, y'all? We are here in the backyard. You see I have the tripod sprinkler set up, and I'm just trying to get some water back here on some of these dry spots. I actually treated them earlier with the wetting agent that I showed y'all earlier in the year, and I actually got the hose end hydrotane bottle out as well and treated some of these spots. And judging by the forecast, we've actually got a pretty good chance of rain for like 5 days straight here coming up. So I'm hoping that we can get these spots back to being green before we do eventually go into winter dormancy, which we still got a while before that happens because that happens later in the year here. So we've still got a pretty decent amount of time that we should have some green grass as long as we are taking care of it. What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. Now, other things that I'm doing in the lawn today are applying my pre-emergent this fall, and it is a granular pre-emergent. It is the Stonewall 007. I picked it up at Lowe's. So now I'm gonna cut out and I'll see you in the front yard. And here is the product that I'm gonna be applying for my fall pre-emergent. You see, it is the Stonewall 007. It's a Lesco product. Picked it up from Lowe's. I've already used this now in a couple of videos. You can also apply your prodiamine through a liquid spray application, but I figured I'd go ahead and do this today since I already had the bag, and it is a little bit quicker than going the liquid route. Now, on top of the prodiamine application that I'm going to make, I actually am going to make a liquid app, but it's going to be a foliar app, and if I was applying that, it would be with a different nozzle. So I didn't want to make two separate applications, so that also went into that decision-making process. But I'm just going to apply some of my Green County Fert products because I haven't had a liquid application of anything on this lawn in quite some time. So I figured I'd go ahead while we had some rain in the forecast and see if I could get this lawn to really pop. With Halloween coming up and then early November, it should still be pretty good weather for Bermuda here in South Central Texas, so we'll see what we can do. If y'all are finding the info in this video helpful or even mildly entertaining, please consider smashing that thumbs up button, hitting that black subscribe button below the video, and maybe even leaving a comment. It really does help the channel, and I appreciate it. But before we get going hot and heavy with these applications, I did want to show y'all just what the lawn is looking like right now on October 22nd. And I'll jump back here and show y'all this spot that I showed you last video. And we're not all the way back, but probably 85 or 90% recovered here. It is mostly green at this point. I brought the verticutter through here about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and it's recovered nicely. It was just getting too spongy. I needed to thin it out a little bit. And here is a shot, close-up shot of the turf right now. So it is looking pretty good for this time of the year, but with this rain in the forecast and making these applications, I'm hoping we can get it to look even better. I've got my product measured out already. So on the bag, it says at medium rate, it's 2.52 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of lawn. I have roughly 4,000 square feet of lawn. I have a little bit more than that, but I have just over 10 pounds of product in the hopper right now. And I never really have a great idea of what to start out with on my dial because no bags ever say anything about a Stay Green, which is the Lowe's brand spreader. But I'm just going to start off on a 5, and then I'll make some adjustments from there. Okay, so now we are going to jump to the liquid app, and I've already got it mixed in my backpack sprayer right now. But these are a few of the products off of the Green County Fert line. We're gonna go with the Green Punch, which is gonna be the fertilizer. the microgreen for micronutrients, and then green effect, that is the liquid iron. And then I added a little bit of surfactant as well, just so it would stick better to the leaf blade. And as long as this stuff is on the plant for several hours, but we don't even have rain forecast for at least 24 hours right now. As long as it's on the plant for a while, it should be okay. Even if it rains, it'll just go into the soil, and then some of it can be taken up there as well. So I am going to go ahead and flip this on, and we'll get this thing started. All right, so today I mowed, edged, put down some pre-emergent, put down the liquid app that y'all just saw. I put out some wetting agent in the backyard, and I put out some hydrotane in the backyard. So hopefully next time y'all see the lawn after this video, it is really popping. So here is the front lawn again. Already looking pretty good, but hopefully we get a little bit darker color, especially with these rains coming. Fingers crossed on that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content and you want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider out.